Why do some websites effortlessly turn visitors into paying clients, while others scare them away forever? Now, I've tried using 7 proven strategies from the most successful websites on the planet, and the results blew me away. Now, in this video, I'm sharing the exact blueprint you need to turn your website into a client magnet. I'll show you step by step how to create a high converting website with real world examples, conversion hacks, and even the secret feature that's making me over $5,000 a month in extra revenue. So let's dive in. Before we get into the strategies, let's talk about what makes a great website. First impression matter, okay? 75% of people judge your business's credibility based on your website design alone. So if your site feels outdated or cluttered, visitors will not stick around. Here are the 3 pillars every high converting website must have. Number 1 is design. You want to keep it clean, simple, and user-friendly. Think less clutter, more clarity. Number 2 is content. Speak directly to your ideal client, okay? You want to address their pain points and offer solutions. Next is speed. Did you know a 1-second delay can drop your conversions by 7%? So optimize those load times, okay? Now let's break down the top 7 strategies top performing websites use to keep visitors hooked. Number 1 is magnetic headlines. Your headlines should grab attention in under 5 seconds. Think bold, direct, and engaging. Client-focused storytelling. Share stories that connect emotionally and make visitors see themselves in your success. This is all about helping them feel understood. Clear call to actions, or CTAs. Don't leave them guessing. Tell them exactly what you want them to do next. Use action words like let's get started, or claim your free guide. Testimonials and social proof. People trust what others say about you more than what you say about yourself. So add video testimonials or reviews from past clients. Mobile optimization. With 80% of traffic coming from mobile, this is non-negotiable. You want to test your site on different devices and screen sizes. Interactive features. Add tools like quizzes, calculators, or downloadable resources that engage visitors and keep them clicking. Now, what about live chat or instant support? Make it easy for prospects to reach out to you if they have any questions. A quick response could make the difference between losing a client or gaining one. Now, for the game-changing feature that added $5,000 to my monthly revenue. Are you ready? It's a strategically placed lead magnet. Here's how it works. I offer free resources, a checklist, an ebook, or a template in exchange for an email address. Now, this builds an email list on autopilot that turns subscribers into paying clients through targeted email campaigns. And the best part, this feature only took me 1 hour to set up. Now, if you don't have a lead magnet on your site yet, you need to get one, because it's the easiest and most effective way to capture leads and convert them into loyal clients. Now, you're probably thinking this sounds great, but where do I start? The truth is, creating a lead magnet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here's what I recommend. Number 1, use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to generate content for your lead magnet. Then create a professional design using Canva, or hire a designer on platforms or from platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to craft a polished ebook or checklist. Now, if this feels like too much to handle, schedule a call with me or visit my website to check out the workshops that I offer. I'll guide you through the process step by step and help you get it done faster. Now that you have the blueprint for a high converting website, it's time to take action. So do yourself a favor and head to my website for the free tools and templates to help you get started. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly strategies to elevate your online business. I'll see you in the next video.